Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a pivot spin. It's technically not a spin, but you let go of your partner as she goes round, so I'm kind of happy with the name. Looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you're going to go into something else then you do a step back before coming in for whatever it is you are going to do. If you're going to do some more sideways stuff, then you wouldn't need that step back. So let's break it down. We'll do it from this side first. It goes man's left, lady's right, semicircle back. We're going to offer the other hand to get to 2. Obviously, if you're doing it after something else, you'd slide and collect the hand. You also, as you go back, want to take the weight so you end up with your weight on the man's right, lady's left. What we're going to do is we're going to use those 2 hands to lead your partner to take a step to the man's left. There's step number 1. We're going to be letting go with the left hand. We're going to continue to the man's left, but we're rotating. So guys are turning left, ladies are turning right for step 2. There's a little push with that hand and a push back to where we were. So the lady's rotating right and you want her to head back to where she began. So we go back onto the guy's left, lady's right. And as we continue round and take another step, we're back where we were, picking up the hand, and that's where you'd lead your step back to go into something like a first move. So let's do that again and think about some numbers. So we go back, pick up the hand and set up your weight to the man's right. 1. Heading over to the left, starting the rotation, letting go with the left. 2. Getting back to back with another step and push away. 3. Heading back onto the guy's left, lady's right, continuing round. 4. Picking up the hand. 5, and if you were then heading off into a first move, your step back would be 6. Okay, so let's try it. Here we go. 5, a 6, a pivot, spin. You go a back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back if that's what you need next. Okay, so we can do a pivot spin. The trick to this though is whether you can do it between other moves. So before heading off, I'd like us to go first move. End of the first move, we're going to slide and pick up the hand. So we've got our 2 hands and can get into the idea of 2 hands and weight to the right. Then our pivot spin. And then back into a first move to prove we can join it both ends. So let's try that. Here we go. 5, a 6, a first move. We go a back, in, twist, twist, turn, face, slide the hand, weight to the right, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and back into the first move. And then you know it's going to be useful to you in freestyle. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And I'll stick a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. We'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.